Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, you'll listen to an English story about Tom and Emma having a meal at a Vietnamese restaurant. Do you have a favorite Vietnamese dish? Let's get started.
What should we get for dinner tonight?
How about Vietnamese food?
Vietnamese food?
Yeah. I found a restaurant online yesterday.
What kind of dishes do they have?
Pho, grilled chicken, and noodle bowls.
That already sounds good.
The photos looked really fresh too.
I've never actually tried Vietnamese food before.
Then this is the perfect chance.
What's pho again?
It's a noodle soup with broth, meat, and herbs.
Oh, I think I've seen pictures of that before.
The restaurant also has homemade spring rolls.
Those sound good too.
And people keep talking about their Vietnamese coffee.
Now I'm curious.
Same. I really want to try it.
Is the restaurant far from here?
About 20 minutes away.
That's not bad.
The reviews say it gets busy at night.
Then maybe we should make a reservation.
Good idea.
Can we book it online?
I don't think so. I only see their phone number.
All right. Let's call them.
Okay. I'll do it now.
Good evening. Lotus Garden Vietnamese Kitchen.
Hi. I'd like to make a reservation for tonight.
Of course. For how many people?
2 people, please.
What time would you like?
Do you have anything around 7?
Let me check.
Okay.
We have a table available at 7:15.
Perfect. We'll take it.
Great. Can I get your name?
Emma.
All right, Emma. We'll see you at 7:15.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
Thanks. You too.
Everything set?
Yep. Dinner is officially decided.
This place smells amazing already.
I know. I'm suddenly even hungrier now.
Hi. Do you have a reservation?
Yes. It's under Emma.
Perfect. Right this way.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Take your time.
We will.
I'll be back in a few minutes.
I like the lanterns on the walls.
Yeah. The restaurant feels really cozy.
And the kitchen smells incredible.
I can already smell the broth.
There are more dishes than I expected.
Same. I don't know what to choose first.
I definitely want to try pho.
Me too. That seems like the best place to start.
There are different kinds though.
I see beef, chicken, and seafood.
Which one sounds best to you?
Probably beef pho.
All right. I'll get that too.
Good. Then we can try the same broth.
What else should we order?
I kind of want to try something new.
Same here.
Maybe we should ask for recommendations.
Are you ready to order?
Almost. We have a question first.
Of course.
We're getting the beef pho, but we'd also like one more dish.
Then I'd recommend the fresh spring rolls.
What's inside them?
Shrimp, vegetables, noodles, and herbs.
That sounds good.
They also come with a peanut dipping sauce.
Oh, nice.
They're one of our most popular appetizers.
Then let's get those too.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water for now, please.
All right. I'll bring everything out soon.
I'm glad you asked for recommendations.
Me too. I probably wouldn't have noticed those spring rolls.
Honestly, everything here sounds good.
That's usually a good sign.
Here's the beef pho and the fresh spring rolls.
Thank you.
The herbs are on the side, so you can add them yourself.
Oh, good to know.
And the spring rolls come with peanut sauce.
Perfect.
Enjoy your meal.
That bowl is huge.
The steam coming off the soup looks amazing.
There are so many herbs on this plate.
I think we add them little by little.
I didn't know you were supposed to add the herbs yourself.
I think that's part of the experience.
So everyone makes the soup a little different?
Probably. Some people add a lot, and some barely use any.
I've never eaten pho before, so I'm copying you.
Then try the broth first before adding anything.
Wow. That tastes really clean.
Yeah. It feels warm without being too heavy.
The noodles are softer than ramen noodles.
I like how they soak up the soup.
Alright. I'm adding more basil now.
I put in some basil and bean sprouts earlier.
Wow. It tastes completely different now.
Yeah. The broth feels brighter with the herbs.
It's interesting that the flavor changes while you eat.
That's my favorite part so far.
I can see why people don't rush through pho.
Yeah. It feels more relaxed than just eating regular noodles.
Let me try the spring rolls next.
Don't forget the peanut sauce.
The vegetables inside are really crisp.
And the shrimp goes really well with the sauce.
I like that the sauce is a little sweet.
It balances the herbs nicely.
I'm glad we ordered this.
Me too. I understand why people recommend it.
How is everything so far?
Everything's been excellent.
I'm happy to hear that.
We also wanted to try the Vietnamese coffee.
Great choice. It's made with condensed milk and dark roasted coffee.
That sounds perfect.
The condensed milk makes it sweet, but the coffee flavor still stands out.
Then we'll have two, please.
Absolutely. I'll bring them out shortly.
I don't usually drink coffee after dinner.
Same, but I've wanted to try this for a while.
At this point, I'm curious too.
We've already tried a lot of new things tonight.
Here are your Vietnamese coffees.
Thanks.
The condensed milk is at the bottom, so stir it well first.
Got it.
Enjoy.
The sweetness hits you right away.
And then the coffee flavor slowly comes through.
This would keep me awake all night.
Probably, but it's worth it.
I'd actually come back here again.
Next time, we should try even more dishes.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, here is today's question. Why did Tom think pho was interesting? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.